1749 Tice Valley Boulevard, a modern, bright, and contemporary 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse-style condo. On the first level, you will find a very generous master suite with a large bathroom, a dressing area, walk-in closet with alpha fixtures, recessed lighting, fireplace, and private patio deck. On the next level, you will find an open concept floor plan with the kitchen located on the left side. The kitchen has polished countertops, tile backsplash, and custom cabinetry, all offering an open concept between the living room and dining area. On the right side of the kitchen, it's located a laundry room with washer and dryer. The living room has a cozy fireplace and a private deck patio with extra storage. This beautiful house has ample storage, a 2-car garage attached, hardwood floor throughout, and multiple updates. Only steps away, you will find a nicely updated full bathroom with a bonus area currently used as an office. This area opens to the 3rd patio deck for this house. On the next level, the 2nd bedroom, it's an open concept loft. Conveniently located in proximity to BART, shops and restaurants, both downtown Walnut Creek and Lafayette, 1749 Tice Valley Boulevard is not to be missed.